Welcome to PubChem, a comprehensive review where we will explore the world's largest free chemical database. PubChem is an open chemistry database serving as a critical infrastructure for scientific researchers, students, and computational systems worldwide. Initiated in 2004, PubChem is managed by the National Center for Biotechnology Information. It is a key component of the National Library of Medicine and is fully funded by the NIH. PubChem is built upon three core interlinked databases: substances, compounds, and bioassays. Substances are direct depositor records, compounds are unique chemical structures, and bioassays store biological activity data. PubChem is an unparalleled repository, housing over 115 million unique chemical compounds. This massive volume of data, including over 300 million substance records and 1 million bioassays, is actively curated from hundreds of distinct organizations globally. The database provides key data types, including chemical and physical properties, such as interactive molecular structures and experimentally verified data. It also offers health, safety, and biological data, bridging chemistry with regulatory and health information, including toxicity and literature linkages. PubChem offers powerful search capabilities beyond simple text. Users can draw molecules with the PubChem Sketcher. Advanced queries include identity, similarity, substructure, and superstructure searches. For programmatic access, developers can use the PubREST API for data retrieval. PubChem RDF provides content in resource description framework format. PubView fetches summarized web interface data, and PubChem widgets allow embedding visual components on external sites. Core use cases span drug discovery, cheminformatics, and education. It's used for virtual screening, training predictive toxicology models, and serving as a reliable encyclopedia for students to study chemistry. PubChem relies on a diverse, crowdsourced model, aggregating data from government agencies at 35%, publishers and journals at 30%, chemical vendors at 25%, and academic institutions at 10%.